heard about face and body scrubs, but have you ever tried a scalp scrub? We exfoliate our lips, face and knees, but then why do we forget our scalp? After all, long, shiny and healthy hair starts with a happy and well cared for head. Hi guys, मैं हूँ स्मृति और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 3 DIY स्कैल्प स्क्रब्स। वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमारे BeBeautiful चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें and ring the bell icon to stay updated every time we post a new video. A word of caution: इन DIYs को ट्राई करने से पहले make sure to do a small patch test. So the first scalp scrub that I'm going to show is for those that have a greasy scalp. ये scrub बनाने के लिए you will need apple cider vinegar, which is a great exfoliant that helps remove excess oil, dirt and product buildup, water, and a little honey which will promote cell growth and retain moisture, and oats which have anti-inflammatory properties that will reduce itching and irritation. तो सबसे पहले एक bowl में 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar add करें and then add 2 tablespoons of water in it क्योंकि using concentrated vinegar directly can irritate your scalp. Hence, always use water to dilute your apple cider vinegar. Once diluted, add some honey and oats. Mix all these ingredients together and apply the scrub on your scalp. इस scrub को अपने scalp पे 5 minutes तक massage करें. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with a clarifying shampoo if you have a greasy scalp. Reason being, regular shampoos के comparison में clarifying shampoos की बनावट ऐसी होती है कि they deep clean the hair by removing oil from the hair shafts. Speaking of which, this is a great clarifying shampoo and conditioner duo. It's called the Love Beauty and Planet Tea Tree Oil and Vetiver Clarifying Shampoo and Conditioner. इसमें है ethically sourced Australian tea tree oil, which is known for its antibacterial properties that will help get rid of excess oil, itching, and any possible flaking. The 100% coconut oil will retain moisture, जिसकी वजह से your hair will remain soft and lush. साथ ही scalp पे excess grease होने की वजह से your scalp can smell bad. The fresh Haitian vetiver scent will keep your scalp smelling fresh for a long time. और सबसे खास बात तो ये है कि it has no hair baddies like silicone, paraben, artificial color, which means कि ये आपके scalp को clean रखेगा पर आपके बालों के लेंस को dry out नहीं करेगा. The next scalp scrub is for those that have dandruff prone scalp. इस scrub को बनाने के लिए you will need 2 tablespoons of finely milled brown sugar which will buff away the dead skin cells, 1 tablespoon coconut oil which will keep the hair moisturized, 1 tablespoon honey जिसमें है healing properties जो dandruff से होने वाले irritation को मिटा देगा, and 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil which has antifungal, astringent and decongesting qualities जो oil और flakes को निकालने में मदद करेगा. इन सारे ingredients को एक bowl में mix करें and then apply it on the scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with a shampoo followed by a conditioner. And the last DIY scalp scrub is for dry scalp. For this, you will need the pulp of 2 bananas which have antimicrobial properties that can heal flaky and dry scalp, 1 spoon olive oil scalp को moist रखने के लिए, 2 spoons of lemon juice जिसके अंदर का citric acid आपके scalp के pH level को normalize करेगा, 1 spoon of coarsely grounded sesame seeds which is an emollient and rich in fatty acids that combats dryness. Mix together and apply on the scalp and gently massage the scrub on the scalp using your fingers. Leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off. इस DIY रेसिपी के साथ for dry scalp आपको एक moisturizing shampoo और conditioner में भी invest करना चाहिए. Take for instance this duo. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Natural Murumuru Butter and Rose Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. This plant-based shampoo and conditioner is made from ethically sourced Amazonian Murumuru butter, Bulgarian roses and 100% organic coconut oil. Due to a high content of oleic acid in the Murumuru butter, it will keep the scalp nourished while eliminating frizz and split ends which are often a result of dryness. To add to the experience, the fresh scent of hand-picked Bulgarian roses will teleport you to a rose garden. So ये थे कुछ DIY scalp scrubs जो आप घर बैठे बना सकते हो to treat a variety of scalp problems. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And of course, ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.